boring. I guess it's boring.
This is a very boring video.
All right, let's talk warranty, clearly and without the fine print runaround. There are two buckets, our workmanship warranty and our manufacturer warranties. Warranty questions usually come from the same place. What happens if something goes wrong? You deserve a straight answer before you invest. So the first thing I want to talk about is concrete. Usually if something does go wrong with your concrete, it's going to happen in that first year. So you do have a 1-year warranty on your concrete. Any issues that happen in that first year, we will come fix that with no extra charge to you. As far as our acrylic surfacing goes, it's Texas, it's very hot, and when the temperature is above 100 degrees for 4 or 5 months out of the year, typically it's really hard to warranty acrylic long term. So you get a 1-year warranty on your acrylic, just because there's just so many things outside of our control with the Texas heat. And it's not even just the Texas heat, it's the wild swings in temperature that come. So, typically with acrylic, it might be something you want to repaint maybe in 5 to 10 years, depends on how many people are on your court and the foot traffic it gets. But if you look at any tennis court in the area, you can kind of see, if it looks newer or if it looks like it's been there a while. And typically any of those high schools have to repaint their courts every 5 to 10 years. They want it to look a certain way. As far as our warranty goes for our modular surfacing, we have different kinds to offer. For example, we have one called Sport Game Pickleball. It has a 15-year limited warranty. And then we also have another modular option that's great for basketball and volleyball and just any sport where you're going to run, jump, and cut. And that comes with a 20-year warranty. Our modular is able to offer a longer warranty because it's made to be durable, it's made to be outdoors, it's made to be UV resistant. And so we can kind of stand by that warranty for a much longer period than we can with just acrylic paint. There are a lot of different components that we offer. So as far as warranty goes with your components, and again, this could be your basketball goal, your light, your fencing, your rebounder. Typically those come with a 5 to 10 year factory warranty. When I go meet with former clients that did their courts in the late 90s and early 2000s, it's amazing how great that everything still looks, but they might be interested in maybe just making it look a little bit more modern. So I really do feel like the products that we offer are the best that you can offer. And we really stand by our workmanship. I don't ever try to talk negatively about other court builders or other construction companies, but I can say, being here since 1978, it's nice to know that the company that you're going with is going to be here throughout the entirety of your warranty. When someone gives you a 15-year warranty or a 20-year warranty, that sounds really good, but is that company really going to be here throughout that whole timeline? And I can confidently say at Austin Courts and Floors, we will be.